Hey you guys, it's King Malcolm here, back with another video. And today is our very first cooking video. I know I promised cooking videos a long time ago, and we're finally here. So today we are making chicken fajitas, some yellow rice. So let's get into it. So first, let me get the wrapping off here. We are starting. Let me get something to raise the camera real quick, because this. Alright, so first we are going to start with our chicken that I already cut into small pieces. We're going to take some light tasting olive oil and just drizzle it a little bit over the chicken. Just a little bit. So we're going to just season with a little pepper. A little seasoning salt. Some cumin. One of my favorite spices is cumin. One of my favorite when I do cook. I don't cook often, but it's one of my favorites. A little chili powder. And some crushed red pepper for flavor and a little heat, just a little bit. Alright, and now we're going to add some chicken taco seasoning mix. As soon as I can get it open. Alright, this is not going to be another video of Malcolm struggles to open up things. I usually edit that out anyway. Y'all never see me. Well, except for like if you watch the road trip vlog, y'all see me struggle to open up that balcony door. So we're just gonna add the whole packet of that. And then we have some fajita seasoning mix. And we're gonna add, well, that opened easy. We're gonna add the whole packet of that as well. And then we're gonna give it a little stir. We're using tongs, not using my hands. I'm gonna stir it together with our tongs here. This might be just a little overkill on the seasoning. Just a little. Make sure everybody in the pool gets some seasoning. Yo, this smells great. And then we're going to take half a lime and we're going to, let me angle this down so y'all can see what I'm doing. Can y'all see this? We're just going to squeeze, okay, maybe squeeze the lime in there, just for a little extra added flavor. And then we're gonna stir our chicken up again. Make sure everybody gets some of that lime juice. Squeeze a little bit more. Get all the lime juice out of your little half a lime here. And we're just gonna stir it up again. Towel, wipe our hands off. Alright, then we're gonna go over to, oh shit, I just knocked over all the stuff. So we're gonna go to the stove. And we are going to turn it on. Turn on this eye to about medium. We're going to take our olive oil spray, spray the pan just a little bit. we're gonna let that heat up for a second, and while we do that, we are going to put our rice on. So we have some yellow rice here that we are gonna put on. We have our pot with water already in it, so we're gonna go ahead and turn that on as well. So we're gonna go ahead and get our pot started. We're gonna says add to just about 2 tablespoons of olive oil to the water. So we're gonna add just a little bit to our water here. Stir it around. Add some more spray to this because we don't want that to stick. And I turned it up to about medium-high heat. I know I said medium at first, but I'm gonna go with medium-high heat. So we're going to go ahead and add our chicken here. I'm gonna go ahead and add our chicken to the pot. Yeah, this chicken smells really good. And it's not doing shit. Gonna go ahead and spread everybody out here. There we go. That's the sound we need. Just a little bit of sizzling going on. So that's getting started. Y'all hear that sound? Look how that chicken is just seasoned. I'm gonna just sit here and we're just gonna listen to the chicken seasoning. Let's get close. And it smells great, by the way, you guys. It smells really good. Turn our waterfall rice up to get it boiling. I might add just a little more olive oil. Let's read these, because I don't cook often, so I'm going to read the instructions on a lot of this. So we're going to go ahead and add our rice. Again, not another episode of Malcolm struggling to open things. We're going to take our trusty scissors here. And then we're going to add the whole packet of yellow rice to the top here. We're going to give it a stir. Get everybody incorporated in here. And then on the chicken side of things, we're going to let them cook for about 2 to 3 minutes on each side. Since they're not really big pieces, turn the heat down just a tad to about medium. And while that's cooking, we'll go ahead and prep our veggies. So in this bowl we have some peppers, green and red bell peppers, and red and white onions that are already chopped up. And seeing as that we have like some of this like pseudo marinade, fajita marinade left in here, we're just gonna put that in this bowl and just get that a toss around to get some of what's left in here on our veggies, because who doesn't like extra flavor on your vegetables? So we're gonna get some of that on our veggies. I also have a little plate of jalapenos. Those are optional. I'm doing them by themselves because I just like the jalapenos. Not everybody eats jalapenos. So, little plate of sliced jalapeno. Alright, back over to our chicken here. Let's see how that's looking. I am just stir our rice here. And we're just gonna break up the pieces of chicken here, start turning them. And this is why we put the olive oil not only on the chicken, but the olive oil spray in the pan so that our chicken doesn't stick as we turn it. Multitasking level. I'm gonna turn the fan on. It might get a little loud. Going to turn our rice down to a low medium heat, and we're just going to keep turning our chicken. Oh God. We do want it to get a little charred. So I'm actually turning the heat down on this as well. If you prefer to cut your chicken into bigger slices, go ahead and do that. It'll probably make it easier when you get to this point. Alright, so now that our chicken is flipped and our rice is going, I'll come back to you guys when we put our veggies. Alright you guys, our chicken is just about done. So we're gonna go ahead and take it out and put it on a plate. I feel like I say this in every video, but don't come for me about my paper plate, because why waste dishes when you don't have to? So we're just gonna go ahead and put our take our chicken out. We're going to put it on a plate. Y'all, this chicken smells so good. I wish y'all were here. So good. My face is really all in the camera, but you know what? Deal with it. Chicken smells so good. Bend our rice there a little bit. Our rice almost overboiled. Would have not been good for anybody. I'm gonna go ahead and take our chicken out. You want those little charred bits on there. Like, I am not even getting it in the shot, but look at that. You want those little charred bits on the chicken, you guys. I wish I had another person here to film me, but I think we're getting it done, you guys. My first attempt at a cooking video, and we're getting it done. We're getting it handled, you feel me? No more just videos of me sitting on a little couch, bro. I mean, there's always gonna be videos of me sitting on the couch. So here is our chicken all on a plate. Look at that. If you look closer, You can see the steam coming off that boy. It smells so good. And I'm actually gonna try a piece for you guys. Oh my god, that tastes so good. What we're gonna do is, gonna pop these guys in the microwave to chill out. I'm gonna put a little food lid on it. And they're gonna chill out till we're done. Next, while our pan is still hot, we're gonna put on our veggies. So all our veggies are on now. We're gonna give those guys a little stir around. This seasoning smells so good. So here's our veggies that we stirred around in the little seasoning marinade mixture from the chicken. So again, white onions, red onions, and green and red bell peppers. I'm actually gonna turn the heat off. Oh, there's still a piece of chicken in there. And I'm just gonna actually turn the heat up on this so we can get it nice and cooking. So I'm actually gonna try another piece. This chicken is so good, you guys. I wish you guys were here. And I wish you guys could taste it. Chicken is so good, you guys. So good. Yeah, but look at our veggies just chilling out. I'm actually going to sprinkle a little bit more olive oil on our veggies here to help them go along. So I'm going to set you guys down for a second. So we're just going to sprinkle a little bit more olive oil. Get all the kids in the pool here, evenly distributed. Alright, and I'll be back once again once our veggies. Alright, so our veggies are just about done. So we're gonna go ahead and take them out and put them in a bowl. I swear, once you try these veggies, y'all, you'll be looking at, like, if you're like me and are a Chipotle fan, you'll be looking at the veggies at Chipotle like, well, you'll be like Chipotle who, period, after this meal. I don't cook often, but it's one of, like, the best things that I cook are these fajitas. We're gonna go ahead and take it out. Our jalapenos are in there now, if you can see. It's a little smoky in here, but we'll be alright. The jalapenos, I don't want too much char on, so we're just gonna let them go for a little bit. We'll set our peppers off to our veggies off to the side. Get our jalapenos just a little bit cooked so they're not 100% raw. Which I think they might be good. Snap, crackling, and popping here. Hold on. Ooh, it is real smoky in here. Alright you guys, I'm back. Had a little cooking mishap. Always while your fans are running, and when you go from putting one thing in a skillet to another, make sure you get the second thing done quick because it got a little smoky in here. A couple little burnt pieces in the bottom of the pan. I'm sweating, bro. Stress level 5 out this bitch. But next up is my favorite part of this. We are going to put our corn tortillas on. Heat those up in our grill pan here. Ungreased. Once it gets heated up here in just a second, we will put our tortillas on, which is my favorite thing. I'm more partial to the corn tortilla than flour tortillas, but use whatever you like. I'm more partial to the corn tortilla though. So I'm gonna set you guys down yet again. I know y'all tired of me. Like, stop moving us. So that's heating up, and let's wash our tongs off. Just washing off our tongs here. We have hella dishes in here to do this cooking, y'all. Get a quick wash off on our tongs. Oh yeah, BT Dubs, our rice is done. I know I haven't been doing too much catching up on the rice, but our rice is done. It usually takes about 20 minutes, which is probably about how long we've been cooking. This is going to be a pain in the ass to edit. I want you to know I do these things for you guys. Let me get real close. I do these things for you guys. This video is going to be a pain in the ass to edit because it's long as fuck. But I do these things for y'all. Y'all are my kingdom and I love you. So don't come for this video. It's my first take at a cooking video. I'm doing it all by myself. Nobody here to hold the camera. So let's go ahead and get into our tortillas here because this pan is hot. So we're just gonna angle this down. Open up our tortillas here. So we're gonna open them up. We're gonna put one in this corner and one in this corner. We could probably fit, let's see if we can fit 4. We've had to see about like a potential level 5 on the stress level. Let's see if we can fit. We're gonna go with 2, 3. So what's the package say? We're gonna heat these over medium heat until they are warm and flexible. But since we're using the grill pan, we're probably going to flip them too. So you know we get those nice grill marks maybe. Hopefully we'll get grill marks. Probably not though. Well, this one got a little bit of grill marks. Go for a couple minutes. Stir. We're gonna stir our rice again over here. a lot of which stuck to the pot. Rice is good though. It's good. Oh, y'all almost took a spill. That flip. That flip. Let's go get another paper plate. Y'all, it is real life smoky in here. I don't know if y'all can tell, but we had to air this bitch out. Like, ceiling fan is on, so I can't hold y'all up too high, but the ceiling fan's on. The back door is open. It is real life a smoky situation. And it's a hot one too. It's hot. Everything's in the microwave, kind of like keeping each other warm. So let's see. We've got chicken, mixed veg, jalapeno slices. Honey, keeping each other warm in there. Let's check on our tortillas. Oh yeah, I gave them. We're gonna go ahead and take these out. Go ahead and take those out. We're gonna put about maybe 3 more ones. I'm gonna put that one in. And put that one in. So if we can get another one. So yeah, forget Taco Tuesday, you guys. We're having Fajita Wednesday over here. So I'll be back once our tortillas are all heated up, and when it's time to plate, I'll see you guys soon. You guys, so this is what it looks like all plated up. Kind of built it like a Chipotle bowl. So we have our rice, then our chicken, our peppers, and then we have some corn and black bean salsa, this white cheese dip, shout out to Sam's Club for the queso dip, and pico de gallo. We're just gonna take our other lime, squeeze some juice from the lime on to this, and garnish with our other piece of lime and one of our tortillas. There you go, guys, chicken fajitas. Alright, you guys, so that's what it looks like all put together. Hope you guys enjoyed. I hope to do more cooking videos for you guys in the future. And as always, you guys remember to like, comment, and share. Hope you guys all have a great rest of your week. And remember, you own the world doesn't own you. OTW, own the world. And I hope to see you guys next time. Peace.